Good morning students, hope you are all well. Today I am going to teach you lesson 1 book exercise. See the picture given. Here we find the conversation between Valli and Chittu the goat. Valli and Chittu are very good friends. Today they are counting the things they have. Chittu the goat is counting, I have one banana, I have one cap, I have one toy. Now Valli is counting, I have 4 bananas, I have 2 caps, I have 3 toys. Now Chittu the goat is asking Valli, why do you add yes with your words? Valli is answering, I have more than one of each. Here we learn one and many objects, singular and plural objects. If it is one object, you have to say one banana, one cap, one toy, or a banana, a cap, a toy. If it is more than one, you have to add yes to the objects. 4 bananas, 2 caps, 3 toys. Understood? I have added some more pictures for you to learn. See the picture. Apple, apples. Chair, chairs. Shovel, shovels. Shirt, shirts. Ball, balls. Bird, birds. Apple, apples. Cat, cats. Boat, boats. Singular, one, plural, many. Okay. See, clock, clocks. Spoon, spoons. Cup, cups. If it is more than one, add yes. See, letter S is highlighted with the red color. Understood? Shoe, shoes. Ball, balls. Car, cars. Now, an exercise is given for you to do. The picture and the words are given. Read and do the match. Words are given. Write the words and add yes. And fill the missing letters for the pictures given. See, 1 cat, 1 van, 4 ships, 2 vans, 1 ship and 3 cats. Here, add yes to the words. Ball, balls. Apple, apples. Cap, caps. Dog, dogs. Egg, eggs. Frog, frogs. Pig, pigs. Hut, huts. Now fill the missing letter. C-O-T, cot. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. B-A-B-Y, baby. Understood? Now we are going to learn the words from the word wall. I think the words are clear for you. G-I-V-E, give. O-R, or. G-O-O-D, good. P-U-T, put. S-A-W, saw. I-F, if. T-H-E-M, them. U-P, up. J-U-S-T, just. S-E-E, see. O-L-D, old. T-H-E-N, then. U-S, us. C-O-M-E, come. Look here, some sentences are given here. Read aloud and circle the words you see in the word wall. We read so many words, isn't it? Give, or, good, put, saw, if, them, up, just, see, old, then, us, come, isn't it? These words you find in the sentence given. You have to circle them. I like them. See the first sentence. You have to circle the word them. He was a good old man. We read 2 words, good and old, isn't it? You have to circle both the words, good and old. I just saw him. Circle the word just and saw. Can you see the fish? We read the word S-E-E-C, isn't it? You have to circle that word. Give me some jam. Give word we read in the word wall. So you have to circle the word give. Take us to zoo. Circle the word US us. Okay. We can do all this exercise after we get the book. Okay. Just learn when I teach you. Okay. Look here. Find and circle the words. The words are given in the box. You have to find it in the letters given and you have to circle it. Try to write separately the letters in a notebook and try to circle the words. Okay. See the pictures. Some sentences are given for you to read. The tree is big. The plant is small. The boy is tall. The girl is short. The book is thick. The kite is thin. The same sentences are given for you to trace the words big, small, tall, short, thick and thin. Just you have to write in the book. Listen to the sound of the words and learn. Brick, broom, bring, brim, brass, brick, drink, drum, drop, dress, drag, drip, clock, cloud, clap, click, cloth, cluck, flower, flute, flip, flag, flop, flash, gift, soft, shift, left, loft, craft, pond, bend, sand, wind, land, bond, tank, pink, bank, think, link, rank. All the words together are given in this picture. Listen and repeat. Flip the cloth. Dust the nest. Thank the monk. Bring the drum. Lend a hand. Lift the gift. Another word wall is given for your practice. I read the words for you. Clip, brass, flush, flop, drag, drip, vest, cost, wind, sand, rank, loft. These words you have learnt before in the word wall. Same it is repeated for your practice. Circle the correct one. You have to fill in the blank with the two letters given there. See the picture, first one clock. Which two letters fit the word clock? CL, PL, FL. Which one you have to write? CL, isn't it? CLOCK, clock. See the second one, flag, isn't it? Which two letters you have to write? PL, CL, FL. You have to write FL, okay? FLAG, flag. See the third picture, brush, isn't it? Which letters fit the word? CR, BR, FR. Which one? BR, isn't it? BRUSH, brush. Okay, next one, drop. Which two letters you have to write? DR, CR, BR. DROP, drop is correct. Look at the words pond, nest, gift, pink. See which two letters you have to write to make it a word. POND, NKFT, ind, ink, POND, pond, okay? NE dash st, ink, ind, ST or NK or ND. You have to write ST, NEST, nest, okay? Next one, GI, ND, NKFT, ind, ink, Which two letters you have to write? FT, GIFT, gift, okay? See the next one, pink. NKFTND. You have to write NK, PINK, pink. Circle the odd one. See the picture, grinder, gas stove, cot, mixer. Which one is the odd one? Cot, isn't it? Grinder, gas stove, mixie you find in the kitchen. Cot, where do you find? In the bedroom, isn't it? So it is the odd one. Okay.